Hi everyone, check out the Hafenpo 18-inch twin bed frame, a sturdy metal platform designed for twin-size beds. Its minimalist style offers a sleek, classic look that fits perfectly in small bedrooms and is easy to move. Made from high-quality metal with reinforced legs, this bed frame prevents twisting and supports higher weights with ease. The noise reduction design features metal tube supports to ensure quiet, stable use. Assembly is simple with all necessary hardware and tools included, so you can set it up quickly. Plus, the 18-inch height provides ample underbed storage to keep your room clean and organized. Remember, this frame does not require a box spring, making it a practical and stylish choice. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.